Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, I too fine. Okay, students, I hope you are learning your daily lessons and updating the accountancy notebook, isn't it? So, we are not informed about the full syllabus, even then we are learning. So, don't think of this year alone, think of your higher studies. Okay, for that sake, you can learn. This partnership firm that we are learning is a very important lesson. Many lessons included that partnership: admission, retirement, death of partner, that introduction, everything. Okay, so now we are learning the new profit sharing ratio. So learn this thoroughly and keep. Don't worry about whether this portion is included for this year's syllabus. Okay, so now we are learning the new profit sharing ratio. In this one, we are in the last stage, isn't it? Yesterday we have learned when the share sacrificed or the proportion of the share sacrificed is given. Okay, the share sacrificed, that proportion of the share sacrificed on the new partner's share is given. How we need to calculate, isn't it? We need to multiply the new partner's share by the proportion of the share sacrificed to find out the sacrificing share, isn't it? That we have seen yesterday. Now, if the share sacrificed is equal proportion, what is the method? Equal means very easy, 1:1, isn't it? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, half half. That we will see one illustration. Okay, Magesh and Dhanush are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Arun is admitted for 1 by 4 share which he acquired equally from both Magesh and Dhanush. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here you have to write 3 partners' name, isn't it? The way I have taught you. 3 partners' name you write, 3 column you make. First what we should write? The old ratio, isn't it? Old ratio is 2:1. So 2:1, you have to write 2 by 3, 1 by 3. 2:1, so 1 by 3. Then that old ratio. Now we should calculate the sacrificing share, isn't it? Sacrificing share, how much equal. So we need to calculate sacrificing share, new partner share into proportion of the share sacrificed. New partner share how much? 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into then equal proportion, isn't it? 1 by 2. So 1 by 2. Then equal to 1 by 8. Then Dhanush, here 1 by 4 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8. Okay, now sacrificing ratio, 1 by 8, 1 by 8. So 1:1. Now we have to calculate the new share of the partners. What is the formula? Old share minus share sacrificed. Old share we know 2 by 3 for Magesh, isn't it? Minus his share sacrificed 1 by 8. LCM 24 we need to calculate. We will find out. Then for Magesh, second column, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 8. 5 by 24. Then new partner share how much? 1 by 4. So to make this denominator 24, we should multiply this fraction by 6. So up and down we should multiply by 6 into 6 by 6. So we will get to 6 by 24. So what is the new profit sharing ratio? First one 13, second one 5, third one 6. So 13:5:6. Okay, in the same method only, here equal means their one ratio they have given, isn't it? In the last problem, 14th exercise. 14th exercise they have given the share sacrificed ratio, isn't it? 7:3. This sacrificing ratio they have given. Here they have given equally. So we have to take this as 1:1. So 1 is to 1 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, that is what. Now we will do the next exercise. Selvams and Senthil are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:3. Siva is admitted into the firm with a 1 by 5 share of profit. Siva acquires equally from Selvam and Senthil. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Now we will see. First we will draw the first number. Okay, 15. Then heading. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Now we will draw the columns. Three columns. 1, 2, 3. Partners name we should write. First the old partners. Selvam, Senthil, new partner Siva. First old ratio. Old ratio 2:3. So old share 2 by 5 is to 3 by 5. Now share sacrificed. Share sacrificed is equal to the new share into proportion share sacrificed. Here first one, new share of the new partner. Okay, new share of the new partner is 1 by 5 into proportion of share sacrificed 1:1, isn't it? Proportion 1:1. That means 1 by 2 is to 1 by 2. So divided by 1 by 2 is the proportion of share sacrificed. Here 1 by 5 into 1 by 2. How much? 1 by 10 is to 1 by 10. So sacrificing share, isn't it? Share sacrificed. Now sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio is equal to 1:1. Now new share. Old share minus share sacrificed. What is the old share? 2 by 5 minus share sacrificed 1 by 10. Here old share 3 by 5, share sacrificed 1 by 10. Okay, then Siva's share 1 by 5. Okay, then next one. Here LCM 10. 2 by 5 into 10. So 2 into 2, 4. Sign minus. 1 by 10 into 10. 1 is to Here 10, 3 by 5 into 10, 2, 1, 6 minus 1. Here 5, we need to make this LCM as 10. So 5 into 2, 1 into 2. Okay, 3 by 10, 5 by 10, 2 by 10. Now the ratio, new ratio. This is new share. New ratio 3:5:2. The calculation we have to do down. Okay, students? Understood. Now the last method we are going to learn. Here share sacrificed also not given, and the proportion of the share sacrificed also not given. How to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? Okay, both are not given. Okay, share sacrificed also not given. Now we have seen the proportion, no? Proportion of share sacrificed 3:2. That also not given. Only they will give the new partner's share. Old ratio and new partner's share alone given. How to calculate the new profit sharing ratio? Okay, here we will see. See, Vimal and Adi are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 2:1. Jayam is admitted by 1/4 share in the profit. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here the sacrificing ratio, it is nothing is given, isn't it? So here he is going to get 1/4. So we should consider this one as 1. So what is the new person going to share? 1/4. So we need to deduct this 1/4 from 1. So how much we will get? 3/4. See this one. 3/4 only. He is going to get 1/4. The other 3/4 they will share. That is their new share. Okay. So in the sacrificing ratio is also 2:1 only. In the old share only they will sacrifice. Old share is 2:1. The same only they will sacrifice 2:1. So the remaining share into the old share or the new old sacrificing share. That is the new share of the old partners. Okay, that is the new ratio. Oh, that is sacrificing ratio, what it is. They have asked us to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Here sacrificing ratio is the old one only, 2:1. In that rate only, from the old share, they are going to sacrifice. Okay, the remaining share into sacrificing share, or not old share. We can write sacrificing share also. Because old share and sacrificing share is same. If we do the problem, you will understand. Okay. Mala and Anida are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Mercy is admitted into the partnership with 1/5 share in the profits. Calculate new profit sharing ratio. Here sacrificing share not given. Proportion of the sacrificing share is not given. Only the new share given. So we should consider the full share as 1. Okay. The number we will write first. Then heading calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Now we should draw the line. Three partners line we should draw. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We will write the name of the partners. Old partners Mala, Anita. New partner Mercy. First, old ratio. Old ratio 3:2. Old share 3/5 is to 2/5. Okay. Now we should write, let the total share be 1. Okay. Remaining share. We need to calculate the remaining share. One minus, what is the share of the new partner? 1/5. So how much we will get? Equal to 1/5. LCM 5. 1 into 5, 5 minus 1, 4/5. Isn't it? Now this is the remaining share, 4/5. Now we need to calculate the new share. New share is equal to remaining share into old share. Okay. Remaining share how much? 4/5 for Mala into old share 3/5 is 2. Here for remaining share 4/5 into his share 2/5. Mercy's 1/5. Now 4 into 3, 12/25 is to 8/25. Now we need to multiply. Here you can do 1/5 into 5/5. 5/25. So new ratio 12:8:5. Then sacrificing share. The same old share only. Okay, 3:2. The share means 3/5, 2/5. Then sacrificing ratio. 3:2. Same only. Okay. New share and sacrificing share. Sacrificing share because here you see they are multiplying this 4/5. He is taking 3/5 from the remaining share. He is taking 2/5 of the remaining share. So the new share 1/5. Understood now? That is what they are going to sacrifice. That is why we get the same 3/5, 2/5. Okay. Share sacrificed is not given. Now we will see the next illustration. Same method only, little difference. Anil, Sunil and Hari are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3:3. They admit Raja for 20% profit. Here 20% profit means for 100, 20. Isn't it? So here when you simplify we will get 1/5, the previous. Yes. Previous problems, share. 1 by 5 is the share. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. Here, old share given, new partners share given, nothing else given. Sacrifice is not given. So, the old ratio is the sacrificing ratio. We need to calculate the new share by multiplying the old share into the remaining share. Okay, we need to calculate the remaining share. Okay, so it's same method only this is the different one. Okay, here 3 partners we need to draw. Okay, 3 plus 1, 4 partners we have to draw. That's all. First, we have to leave space for writing the number and heading. Okay, we'll draw the column first. 4 columns we need. Okay, the new partner. Then next 3 partners. 1, 2, 3. So totally 4 partners. Okay. We will write the number first. 17. Calculation of new profit sharing ratio. Ambika, Dharani, Padma, new partner Ramya. Okay, old share 5:3:2. Sorry, fold ratio. Now old share 5 by 10. Total share 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, 10. Then 3 by 10, 2 by 10. Okay, now we have to write. Let the total share be be 1. Remaining share. How we will calculate remaining share is equal to 1 minus the new partner share. New partner share we calculated, no? Okay, here 25% is given, isn't it? 25% means what it is? 25 by 100. So simplify this one, only 125, here 4. So 1 by 4 share. Okay, that is only 25 they have given. So 1 minus 1 by 4. Calculate the LCM, 4. Here 4 minus 1. So 3 by 4 is the remaining share. Now we need to calculate the new share. New share is equal to remaining share into old share. Okay, remaining share how much? 3 by 4 into old share 5 by 10. Okay, is to for Dharani remaining share 3 by 4 into his share old share 3 by 10. Then Padma remaining share 3 by 4 into 2 by 10 is to his share 1 by 4, isn't it? 1 by 4. Now we need to multiply up and down by 10. Then only then we will get to 40. Okay, LCM. Okay. Now again we will calculate. LCM 10. 3 by 4 into 10. We will calculate. Okay. 3 by 4 into 10. Not 10. 40. Okay. 4. 20 also we can take. Isn't it? LCM we can take as 20. Here 5 4s are 22. We'll see. Okay, 20. 3 by 4 into 25. 3 5s are 15. Is 2. Here 20. 3 by, minus, sorry students, we need to multiply, isn't it? 3, 4, 10s are 41. This is multiplication, no? Sorry, okay, I was thinking that minus. Okay, here 49 is 2. 46 is 2. To get 40, we need to multiply up and down by 10. So, 10 by 40. So, this is the share. Now, new ratio. 15 is to 9 is to 6 is to 2. We cannot simplify this, isn't it? Now, sacrificing share. Same 5. Okay, 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. So sacrificing ratio 5 is to 3 is to 2. This is the answer. Okay students, now we have completed this finding out the new profit sharing ratio. Okay. We will have one, all the ratio, new profit sharing ratio, how it is calculated. Okay. Sacrificing ratio. New profit sharing ratio is given. Okay. Old ratio given, new ratio given. We have to calculate the sacrificing ratio. Old share minus new share. Very easy one. Okay. Next one. New profit sharing ratio is given. Not given. But sacrificing share is given. Okay. Old ratio given. Old share. Sacrificing share. Only one partner is sharing. So we need to deduct that one from the old partner share. The other partner same share. What he is sacrificing only, he is getting new partner. Very easy one. Okay. Then, the same thing. Sacrificing ratio given. Okay. Old ratio, old share, sacrificing share. Then, sacrificing ratio. Now, new share, how to calculate? Old share minus sacrificing share. Old share, how much? 3 by 5. Minus sacrificing share 1 by 20. Okay, this is given in the book. Very easy one. Okay, LCM, calculating LCM and subtracting only, you have to do it carefully. Here, old share, old ratios, then sacrificing share, sacrificing ratio, same model. New share is equal to old share minus sacrificing share. Here sacrificing how much? Equal, not 1 by 4, 1 by 4 from them. So 1 by 14, okay, we need to deduct from them. We will get to the new share. Okay, see, everything very easy only, should not be confused. Okay. Next method, here proportion of the shares sacrificed is given. Okay, they have given. Then old share ratio, old share we will calculate. Okay, share sacrificed, old share into the proportion of the share sacrificed. Okay, that is first we need to calculate the share sacrificed because they have given the proportion. We need to calculate the share, sacrificing share, how much they are sacrificing. Okay, proportion is given 2:1. So in their old share we need to calculate what is their sacrificing share. This one, sacrificing share, sacrificing ratio. Now we will calculate the new share, old share minus sacrificing share. Okay, so, okay, that one. The same method. Okay, another problem. Old share, old ratio, old share, share sacrificed, proportion given 1/8 only they are sharing. So, old share into proportion of the share sacrificed, proportion 1/8. Okay, we will get the share sacrificed. The new share, old share minus share sacrificed. Okay. Then the same model. Okay, proportion of the share sacrificed given. We should multiply by the new partner's share. We will get sacrificing share and ratio when new share is equal to old share minus sacrificing share. Today's one, here equal proportion given. Okay, so we take 1:1, 1/2, 1/2. The new share of the new partner into half. So 1/10, 1/10. Then sacrificing ratio calculated. New share is equal to same formula. Old share minus share sacrificed. Okay, we will get the new share and ratio. Here the last one. When share sacrificed also not given, proportion of the share sacrificed from the new partner also not given.